The environmental effects of marine transport include air pollution, water pollution, acoustic and oil pollution. There has been an increase in demand for seaborne trade and it is projected to grow by 39% until 2050. Concepts like blue corridors, green transportation are emerging as potential solutions to enable early adoption of alternative fuels and conservation of vulnerable ocean areas. We have developed a solution as a part of Climate Hackathon on the topic Zero Emission and Nature-Friendly Maritime Transportation, hosted by Hub Ocean, Cognite and Maximum in partnership with Microsoft. This app uses data from Ocean Data Platform. It has been developed on Streamlit and hosted on Hugging Face Spaces. Our app contains two sections. The first section gives an overview and the second section contains the app. This app has been developed to give insights and raise awareness on the impacts of shipping ports on marine life in vulnerable areas. It contains a brief description on the developers of the app and their background. The second section lets the user enter the location and the date range. The data is collected from news articles through text mining and deep learning NLP based models run in the background to extract relevant information. We have used multi-QA model which has been trained on 215 million question answer pairs from various domains like Stack Exchange, Google and Bing search queries, etc. We trained this model to identify data related to planned shipping ports, effect on biodiversity, marine pollution, etc. As we can see, there have been a lot of ports disposing their wastes like garbage, chemicals, etc. into the oceans. Our app collects data about accidents in the ocean like collision between ships, oil spills, etc. It also gives information about the fuel used and if there has been a shift to greener fuels. The app contains a map displaying all the ports of the region. It also provides links to the recent regional shipping port news articles. This app has been developed with a long-term vision to raise collective consciousness and make users a part of the data collection process by storing the data and helping governments and regulatory bodies curtail port-based negative environmental impact with information collection and assessment.